You find yourself sitting in your bed late at night, falling further and further down the rabbit hole. Looking, searching, desperately trying to find the path to a straighter smile, whiter teeth, and most importantly, no visit to the dental office. Look, I get it. We live in a world of DIYs, like how to make that first floor of yours an open layout, how to change the water pump on your car. But do we need to be doing DIY on your teeth? Today, we're going to talk about some of the biggest viral trends that are going on in the world of dentistry. So this first one, I'm going to start off with the answer to the question. And the answer, of course, is nope.
I'm going to file my teeth down with a nail file because they are not perfect. I have some ridges and we're balling on a budget.
Please, don't do this one yourself.
It's so cringy.
Your teeth have little ridges on them. Sometimes people are trying to flatten those out. And other times it's that there's a chip. Now, the ones with the chips are even more concerning because what I'm seeing is that people are trying to file down the other teeth to make it match where that chip ends. And to do that, you're getting rid of a lot of really good tooth structure. Things like enamel, they protect your teeth. Really important to do everything we can to keep that there. All right, so another big trend that I see is people just straight up trying to fix their teeth at home.
We're about to see my teeth.
Hey, welcome back, Van here. Today we're going to do a review. Overfilling came out of one of my teeth. My back tooth up here. Today is Sunday. Next week I gotta go on vacation. I can't go to the dentist next week.
Don't get me wrong, you can go to your pharmacy and you can pick up a temporary cement or a temporary filling material, but just like the name goes, they're meant to be temporary. And when trying to do something like that to fix your teeth in a temporary sense, if you let it be something more than temporary, well, you're gonna have a bigger problem and it's gonna end up being more costly, more time consuming, and more times than you have to see me than you probably want to. So when it comes to DIY hacks for your teeth, remember, let's just leave it to the professionals. It's not similar to how it works for other things where you can just go and get another part, a spare part. When it comes to your natural teeth, you're only born with one set of them and you have to take care of them your whole life. Alright, so thanks for watching this week's episode of Teeth Talk with me, Dr. Will. And remember to follow, like, and comment anything down below if you'd like to have any questions answered.